This is the biggest fair in Guangzhou right now. We're currently at the Canton Fair. Guys, this place is so big, it's impossible to navigate without a map. Ça va?
Assez bien. I can speak 5 languages, you know.
What brought you here?
Just coming to see them.
Okay. Yes, sir. Hey. Are you Michael?
Yes.
Can I have a card?
Yes.
Well, I've never seen a card like this before. Y'all, check out how big this bike is, man.
For this price, it's the best things, bro.
Nikki, 我喜欢你的衣服。
谢谢，这是广西壮族的。
Hey.
Hello，无法 TV。
Let's go. Bye bye. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Today is a great day today. We are going to the 139th annual Canton Fair here in Guangzhou, where suppliers and buyers from all throughout China and all over the world come and meet and share contacts, network, and just begin business together. We went to the fair last October and it went really well. This year I'm hoping to meet some more people, more foreigners, more suppliers, and get some contacts. You know, my main goal here is to build my contact list up so that I can help people outside of China build their business. And we're going to be questioning people from all around the world, so stay tuned. Y'all, this place is huge, man. Absolutely enormous. First things first, you gotta make sure you register correctly to get your badge. You gotta give them your passport. You gotta do like a 5-minute questionnaire online. Then it'll generate a QR code. Once you get that code, they'll scan it, use your passport, and you'll grab your badge and you ride through. Thank you. Wolfpack TV in the building. The 139th annual Canton Fair. Let's work. Guys, this place is so big, it's impossible to navigate without a map or some type of feel of where you're going. Check out this big old list of suppliers right here. What's your name?
Ajay,
Where are you from?
India.
Okay. I'm from America. My name is Demontre Edwards. I'm representing Wolfpack TV.
Okay.
What brought you to Canton Fair this year?
Sorry?
What brought you to the fair this year?
A very good fair and new invention.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Your first time?
Yeah, my first time.
Okay. What do you think?
I think so. Every people and every country
Okay.
coming from here.
Nice.
Yeah, and explore the Canton Fair and new devices, new product.
Yes.
And new culture
Okay.
also. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Oh my God.
That's perfect.
Yeah. Can I have one picture?
Yeah, of course. Let's take a photo. Nice to meet you, man. Thank you for your time. Can you say shout out to Wolfpack TV?
Wolfpack TV.
Yes, sir. Nice to meet you. Have a good time. This is the biggest fair in Guangzhou right now. We're currently at the Canton Fair, meeting so many different people. As you can see, from top to bottom, new beginners, small businesses from worldwide. My goal this time is to make sure that I find enough contacts so that I can share with my people back home in their various respective countries so that we can make y'all business go from here to there. My brother, quick interview. Where are you from? Cameroon. Nice to meet you. I have some basketball friends from Cameroon. What brought you to Guangzhou, Canton Fair?
I'm a French speaker.
You speak French?
Yes, I'm speak French. I'm not speak English very well.
Ça va?
Assez bien.
Oh, okay. I only know a little bit. I have some friends from Senegal, so they speak in French.
And then where are you from?
I'm from USA, bro.
USA?
Yes, my name is Demontre Edwards. Nice to meet you.
What's your name?
Demontre Edwards.
Demontre.
Yes, sir. Nice to meet you. Yes.
The name is very strong to pronounce.
Thank you. Nice to meet you, brother.
Okay,
nice to meet you. See you. Have fun. Have a good time.
This phase is like the agriculture phase. You have things for outdoor machinery, equipment as far as like generators and battery powered things. That's what this phase is.
Connected to this base right here. And that's quite smooth too. And it has a protective mode. So as soon as you lift it up, it'll stop moving. I'm gonna grab their card. Xie. What's your name? Jesse.
This is our manager.
Okay.
My name is Kinsley.
Kinsley,
Yes.
nice to meet you. Where are you from? China where? Tsinghua.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, nice to meet you. a stack of catalogs right there. Look like steel-toe boots for the workforce. Yep, that's exactly what that is. Yo, this place is so big. They got trolleys out here to get you from one building to the next. I can't make this up. What brought you here?
Just coming to see that.
Okay.
First time.
First time?
Yeah.
What you think about it so far?
It's crazy, man.
Crazy? So much stuff, right?
Yeah.
How many days are you here?
I've been here for a week, but today is my first day. And,
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Is it like overwhelming a little bit?
overwhelming and tiring.
Tiring for sure, bro. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Nishan,
My name is Demontre, bro.
Demontre.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
How long will you stay in Guangzhou?
I'm leaving tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice, bro. Take care, man.
Take care.
Run, Forrest, run! Hey, 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 hey! Damn.
Sorry, this one, finally the one with this.
Is it electric?
This one is electric. I'll show you.
Nice.
I'll show you that.
You bought both of them right now.
Yeah, I bought this one because I couldn't find this one.
Yeah.
I found this one, so now I have
Where are you from?
New Caledonia.
Huh?
New Caledonia.
What's it? Where? I'm sorry.
New Australia.
In New Australia. Okay, nice, nice. Yes, sir. Hey. Take care, man. Nice to meet you. Keep going, Shisha. Are you Michael?
Yes.
Can I have a card?
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
How you know my name? Oh, my God.
I know, man. Where are you from, bro?
From here.
You from Guangdong?
Yeah, yeah.
Nice, nice, nice. Okay, I'm from
Where you
America. USA.
Oh, okay. USA, which state?
South Carolina.
Oh, South Carolina.
Yeah. Can you ship these to South Carolina?
You know, golf car, US has anti-dumping.
Okay, okay. Well, with the battery and the tank, it's kind of hard, right? So where do you ship to?
Sometimes if customer not have the ability to assemble, then we can send part.
Oh, and they put it together. Okay,
But
okay.
very more labor intensive. You know.
Mafan.
Mafan,
Okay,
yes.
okay, okay.
Mafan.
Nice to meet you, Michael. I have your card now.
Okay.
Thank you. Nice to meet you. Did you see him walk up to me randomly? What's up, my guy?
I'm okay. How about
You want to get a mic?
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's make some
go.
videos, bro.
Okay.
My boy got the catalog for the big old 18-wheelers, and he's going to send them to his country. Tell him what country you're from.
I'm from Tajikistan.
Tell him your name.
But
Introduce
I can
yourself.
speak 5 languages, you know?
You said what?
5 languages I can speak.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my
For
God.
sure.
Talented, man. I can only speak 2.5.
Yeah.
Chinese, English, and slang. What's your plan now? You just walk? I'm just
Yeah.
making videos, bro.
Yeah, making video with you.
So this is the last day of the first phase, so they're pretty much packing up right now to head back to their respective city. Today is Sunday. On Wednesday, the next phase, phase 2 starts. Nice to meet you.
Sorry.
Oh, it's okay. My name is D. Where are you guys from, your company?
Canton, Guangzhou.
From Guangzhou?
Yeah.
Layli. Okay, nice to meet you. This is for WeChat, right? And WhatsApp? Oh, yeah, I see. 都可以，谢谢。
Hello. How are you? Are you good?
This card is cool. Very cool. I've never seen a card like this before.
That's good. That's good.
I know Jungman. It's very near here. Maybe 1 hour. Yeah. I played basketball there before.
Tomorrow you will be very popular. Moving in China.
Nice to meet you, Lina. Nice to meet you. Bro, let's go. I'm leaving. Let's go.
Okay,
let's go.
bro. Okay. Go.
Let's go.
Let's go, man.
你是哪个城市？你是广州人吗？你是什么人？
我是湖北的。
河北。
湖北。
苏北。
荆州。
荆州。哦，我知道。
You do this business?
I have friends who do it, so I come here for them.
Oh, 1 container, 40 pieces price.
40 pieces.
Yeah.
That's good price, bro.
Yeah.
Y'all check out how big this bike is, man. I'm not really high versed on the dirt bikes or the motorbikes, but I'm definitely gonna start doing my research.
That's good, bro.
Yes,
you can try.
sir.
You can also try. it. For this price, it's the best things, bro.
It is?
Really, yeah.
Oh. He's very strong. What's your name? Tom. Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
I'm from local market.
你是本地吗？雷猴。
Thank you, thank you.
说雷猴。Hey, nice to meet you, brother. Notice how this looks like an actual motorcycle, which it is, but it's powered by a battery. Today was a very successful trip. I was able to see some of the motor stuff, some of the agricultural stuff. Hopefully it's enough videos for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy what we did today, and y'all stay tuned because the next phase is gonna be even better. My boy is from a whole different country, Tajikistan, and he's shipping Chinese snacks across the water to Russia and getting a bag, man. Very simple. My team, we're very strong. We can help you guys get into place, into motion, and whatever it is that you guys want to do, from shipping to e-commerce to sourcing to whatever it is, if I can't do it, my team, we can do it, and we'll figure out a way to make it happen. So y'all stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. Big things are happening. All right, y'all, that's a wrap from phase 1 from the 139th Canton Fair. I'll see you guys on phase 2. I'm a little tired. I need to go get some food. We out of here. I'll see y'all on the next one. Nikki, 我喜欢你的衣服。
谢谢，这是广西壮族的。
广西吗
Yes.
Nanning， 是不是 Nanning？
也算是南宁。
啊。
I work in international logistics.
Oh, logistics,
This
shipping.
is my WeChat.
You never know who you're gonna meet, man. This place has been serving customers and businesses over 139 years. If you claim that you're a business owner and you're serious about your entrepreneurship journey and you've never been to China to push your business forward, you're tripping.
My name is Gabby. I'm from China.
Oh.
Welcome to China.
我会说少少。
我識講少少。
少少，對對對，對對對。We speak in Cantonese. That's a local language here.
Yeah, here is Guangzhou.
Mm.
Guangzhou, the city of Guangdong province.
Tell everyone to come to Guangzhou.
Everyone come to Guangzhou.
Yeah, say shout out Wolfpack TV. Say hello Wolfpack TV.
Hello, Wufa TV.
Let's go. Bye-bye. Your country has 11 million people. You know Guangzhou has 18 million people.
Yeah.
So this city we live in alone is almost 2 times the size of your country. Overall, good day so far, right?
Yeah. How are you?
Hello. How are you? Oh, 谢谢谢谢。
Thailand? You're living in Thailand?
China. 毛敏，我知道毛敏。
你知道？
我出过，对。
你还知道？
对对对
厉害。
我打篮球在毛敏，对对对。
对。
Change the color, add our logo, make this bigger, add the box and something like this. It's a step by step.
I'm getting a ChatGPT tutorial right now from my boy Zamir.
Teaching him. But it's for free, just for example. This will not be free for you guys. Change.
My young boy get me right.